Alright, how's it going, YouTube? I'm completely under the weather, or I'm starting to. It's allergy season, and my allergies are going rampant. Nose is clogged up, throat's kind of sore, not feeling great. So I'm gonna try and do this video as easy as possible, but today we are going to start on the trunk. I took the wing off yesterday during the live feed on Instagram, and the process to take the wing off versus putting it on when I first did it, way easier. I feel like such an idiot that I probably should have done it this way than the other way, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna take some wrap that my buddy Simon gave me. He wrapped the car on this. He did like an actual livery for the car instead of just some random shapes of vinyl that I got from Amazon. So I'm still waiting on my buddy to cut out some like gloss white vinyl for all the sponsors and partners that I have for the car, so that it actually kind of looks like a race car, you know? But like I said, today's video is me working on this trunk setup. Like I said, the wing is off, the stands are over here, the stands. And I just realized that I never actually made a video of me putting the wing onto the car. And I might be able to just go over that real quick. It wasn't super hard. I just wish the trunk didn't look so ratty and jacked up. But these are the new holes for the PCI mounts. These are the old holes from the APR wing. If you get a wing, don't get an APR one, especially a universal one. It is what it is. It's universal. It's not made for anything specific, so you have to kind of make it work. And aside from all of these stock holes from the OEM spoiler that has been covered up since I removed it, this trunk has seen some better days. Like I said, I've got the wrap over here. I'm gonna take some measurements, and I'm going to attempt to wrap this trunk, and we'll see how it goes. My main purpose in wrapping it is to cover these holes, because I don't have the money to do it the right way, which is to cut this section out and weld in some new sections. So I'm just gonna use the wrap to cover the holes so rain doesn't get in there, and we're gonna go ahead and send it. So let's see how much. I've got a lot of wrap. I just need to see if I have enough to cover this trunk in one swoop. I guess what I need to do is just take a measurement of the trunk, length, width-wise. So just ballparking this. It is about 47.5 inches across. So I'm going to use probably 50 inches of wrap. And probably 14 inches wide. So I'm going to do probably 50 by 18 or something. This edge to this edge is about what I need for this trunk setup. And I'm like spitballing at this point. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing.
A few moments later.
All right, I think I cut it. I cut it too short. Oh yeah. Well, I don't know. It kind of goes at an angle, right? So it's. Oh yeah, it's way too short. So this piece is not usable, but I can use this piece. Thanks. Right? It's just gonna be a huge ass piece. All right, that'll work. Got that. I'm not taking this wrap off. It's going to stay on there, and I need my heat gun. I have a feeling it's not too long enough. Oh shit! Okay, it'll work. This vinyl has 2 layers on it, a sheet, like a protective sheet, and then the backing for the blue side. Buddy Simon told me that this stuff is really sticky, and just seeing him put it on the sides of the car, I trust him. I've never used this stuff before, but I'm down to experiment with it. Place it where we need it. Best as possible. By some miracle, I can find a squeegee. I'll use it.
A few moments later. After screwing around with this for 30 minutes, I scrapped the big piece because I just couldn't handle it. It was too much material and not enough skill. So I'm just gonna spring spray down this window because it looks like doo-doo. Honestly, I think I'm gonna call it. This is complete. That's what I'm calling it. It doesn't look ideal, but you know what? That's okay, because it covers the holes and it kind of matches the rest of the car, so I'm not really too worried about this, although it does kind of look pretty terrible. So we're going to poke the holes for the wing mounts. Go like this. Yeah, it looks way better than it did before. So that's all good. Solid than it was when I put this thing on. I think call it a night.